This video shows how to quickly design appealing title screens using the Coremelt StyleX Grunge effect in Final Cut Pro 10. These days, editors are often called on to make their own title graphics directly during the editing process. One great way we can easily do this directly in Final Cut is to apply some visual effects to our existing footage and then adding simple typography over the top. My favorite approach for title creation is to option drag our background footage, duplicating it above the primary storyline. Trim the endpoint to a suitable action. Drag the StyleX effect to the top clip, then click Open Style Browser. Much like the LUTX browser, we can then click on the thumbnail previews to see our StyleX effect applied within our viewport. Choose the style, then adjust the blending and pre-style color correction until it looks the way you like it. Add a transition to the start of the top clip. In this case, I added a simple wipe, adjusted the angle and the size, and changed the color to match the palette of my stylized clip. Avoid title templates with heavy graphics or crazy 3D shading. Instead, focus on simply pulling text colors directly from the stylized background footage. Click on the text color, choose the eyedropper tool, and experiment with different colors from within the image. Usually a darker or lighter sample with a bit of color in it does the trick. We're going to let the color palette and simple design choices drive the final look. You can experiment with the StyleX blending and color adjustments with the text colors. Also, since all the color processing takes place within Final Cut Pro 10's 32-bit color space, you can add further effects or color correction using other tools as well in the effects stack. If we still need to separate the text more for readability, we can add in drop shadows, duplicate the text, 3D edges, or background shapes as necessary. We can also play with the blur style feature in the Apply StyleX effect to further simplify the background. Here are a few examples of what can be accomplished by choosing some StyleX effects, adding a transition, and applying some simple title techniques, being careful to choose appropriate colors from our backgrounds. Keeping clients satisfied by quickly creating title graphics over existing footage from our edit can often save time, expense, and hassle. We have uploaded the basic title templates to the link below. See the download page for installation details. And of course, a free trial for StyleX Grunge. Coremelt StyleX leverages Apple's Create ML framework to add neural style transfer effects to your existing footage.